Good morning, y'all. It's your boy Wild by the QC, man, back with another video, man. Check this out. Shout out to Ayo Nation, man. He told me to get a mic, right? And I got that mic, and I just did a little pass by, and it picked up real good. So I'm gonna let y'all hear that crackling pop, man, so y'all can see I ain't playing. And it happened every time. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Is it just some play or some foo-foo, or is that real deal, man? Because I don't think anybody know about it, because when I watch people videos and they downshifted or they driving, they don't do it. Because I know if they knew it, they would be doing it. Y'all just let me know what y'all think.